gonna be all on my own. All on my own.
Hi mate. Good riddance.
So rude. So rude. He's off to Kuala Lumpur for 2 weeks. Lucky bastard's gonna leave me. I'm gonna stay here for another 3 days, then head back to Bangkok before I go to Sri Lanka. Gonna say the proper goodbyes now before we both start crying. Oh. You gonna cry, Austin?
Yeah. Really hardly.
So sarcastic for no reason. It's official, he's going. Alright, Paul. Have a good one. See you later.
I'll let you know when I get there.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Shoot us a message.
All the best.
See you later. Oh my god, that's actually a bit emotional. What the hell? To be fair, we have been together every... Oh wow, I'm a bit dark. We have been together every day for the past 2 months. And now, we're not together. He's driven off. He's gone. Oh no. Oh. Jeez, what do I do with myself? Best mate's just gone. Oh, I can't call him that in front of... Oh, he's going to ridicule me for calling me my best mate. But now we're all alone. Sad. Oh no, this lift makes me look fucking wham. Look at that, look at that. Jesus Christ. I know I'm not that big, but I love that lift. It makes me feel absolutely huge. Might go gym to get later today and get a little pump. Make me feel even bigger. But we're back at the room. This is what we've got. Oh, we need to put the key in so you can actually see stuff. You gonna work? Babe, beautiful. It's our lovely bathroom. Pretty standard to be fair. And they've only got a smaller room. Nothing over the top. I think it's only £10 a night. Something like that. It's pretty fucking good if you ask me. Especially for a private room. I think some of the hostels are nearing on like £6, £7 a night. So I thought for an extra £3 a night, I want my own space and my own bathroom really. It was hard. If you know, you know. He's like a UK goat. Like a UK gram goat. I actually don't know what to do with myself now he's gone. Oh my god. You can see the plane going in. The airport is literally just there. Oh no, not that one. That one. So you might even be able to see him take off. That'd be quite cool. I know there's a football pitch about a 20-minute drive that way. So I might go and try to play some football later. Let me see what time it closes first, actually. Can't actually find it. The barber told me about it the other day, and he showed me a picture, and I didn't get the address. I just got the picture, and my phone doesn't have the Vietnamese. Probably just having a football pitch. I'm an idiot. Anyway, might hit the gym as well. I'll probably do one or the other because it's so hot that doing any more than an hour of exercise is horrible. So I might do the football. It seems a bit more fun. Might wait till it's got a bit darker as well, so it's a bit cooler. I think that's a good idea. The pitch ended up being shut, so that was a bit of a waste of time. It was like a 25-minute drive away as well. However, we are sat on the beach with a beer, and look how gorgeous it is. Absolutely phenomenal. I can't complain. As much as I love you, Austin. Life on my own. Heaven. No, I'm only joking. What shall I eat tonight? I'm thinking pizza, or possibly, I don't know, I'm getting really sick of rice and noodles, because that's, in Asian dishes it seems a lot of it consists of having rice or noodles with the dish, and I'm just bored of it, really bored of it. So I'm thinking a nice fat pizza, but however I do only really eat margherita pizza, which is very boring, but it's what I like. You know when autistic people get a food that they like and they can never, or they'll eat that consistently for 3 months and just hate it. I'm like that, but with margherita pizza, and I never hate it. It's always good to me. So probably get a margherita pizza. I can see if this place does them actually. It'd be quite nice to have pizza on the beach while the sun's setting. One thing that is very interesting is in Southeast Asia they give you scissors to cut your pizza. I've never had that before, and I find it quite cool. I mean, the pizza's boiling hot, so I can't actually touch it, but I like it better because I can make my own slices, and I like folding my pizza as well. And having fucking just one, oh god, just having one big bite. That was very questionable. Jesus Christ! But I am like an iPad kid. I have to have my YouTube on while I eat. Otherwise, I don't enjoy the meal as much. Having food with having a video with your meal makes it taste like 10/10. It's absolutely amazing. This is just what I wanted. Oh my god, that's good. That's very, very good. The only thing that can make this better is salad cream. Now, if you haven't tried salad cream in pizza, you're missing out, man. You're missing out. I know I might think I'm weird because of that, but honestly, go and try it. Come back to me. That food was absolutely delicious. However, we now have another problem of I need petrol because the bike is running very low and I'm 25 minutes from my hotel and I've got no idea where to go to get petrol because usually they have like little petrol spots dotted around, but here they don't, and usually there's like little markets that might sell it, but again they don't. So I've got no idea what to do. I might just have to try and ride this thing till it's completely empty and try and find somewhere. I think that's my only choice really. Excuse me, do you have petrol?
Sir?
Gasoline?
Tak?
Petrol for a motorbike?
Sorry sir, not
Okay, no problem.
Sir?
Petrol.
No.
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 Okay, no problem. Fuck. Might be a bit fucked here. I've been in 3 shops now. Not a single one knows either what petrol is or has it if they understand me. Fuck, I don't know what to do. What can we do? What can we do? What can we do? Let's cross the road to this one over here. Let's see if this one has it. There. They might do. Well, I've seen a sign that says motorbike for rent, so maybe they have petrol. Hey, do you work at this one? Do you have petrol? Petrol. Gasoline?
Gasoline?
Yeah, you have? Oh, no? Gasoline? Let me get my phone.
Máy gì đây cái nào? Xăng.
This way?
Yeah.
Okay. Another one, no. And they said the way to get it is to go the opposite way to my hotel. Fuck! Right, we're gonna have to give it a go because I've got no other option. Or I could just risk it and try and get back to the hotel. Should we do that? Yeah, fuck it, we'll try and get back. If we get stranded, we get stranded. We have found somewhere. It was actually on the way back, so that's quite good. 20,000. Put 20k dong in there, why not? It's there. Just get that in there. Yeah, it's just there. Write that down. Get my wallet out. That was over quickly. That was over very quickly. It's done now already. Well, I guess I will see you back at the hotel. Oh. Just parked the little bad boy up, nice and tidy. I feel like we need a name for the bike. I would usually call it Tyrone, but that's the name of my car back home. So I feel like I'm cheating on my car a little bit. So I think we should go for something a bit similar. Maybe like Tyreek. No. That's gonna be like Marcel. Ooh. Yeah, little Marcel. That's gonna be his. Oh my god, look at all the lizards. Jesus Christ. Fucking hell, they all just started scattering as I walked towards them. What was I saying? Oh, the bike. Yeah, Marcel's going to be his new name. Which part of little Marcel? I'm going to take Marcel out for a little explore tomorrow, probably. That 20k dong didn't really get me much. It's like filled the bar up by 1. Like it stopped blinking and now it's just solid at 1. But I think I picked the bike up on 1 today, and I've been driving it about all day. It's doing pretty fine, so I think 1 bar should be enough to go for a little adventure tomorrow. I would have thought anyway. But I'm just gonna go back and chill in the room now. And then I don't really know what's gonna happen tonight because it's only, what time is it? It's only 6:45, so the night's still young, we've got a lot of night ahead of us. Here we are. Let's go. So I might go for a drink later. I might not. If I don't, this will probably be the end of today's fit. There we go. Of today's vlog. Why is the light not on? There we go. Just because I can't really be bothered. Well, not that I can't be bothered, but I'm just functioning on my own now. I can do things on my own vibe, on my own timeline. Who knows? Maybe I'll just jump in the shower and start jamming to music on the vlog. Why not? That was so cringe. Oh my days, I can't. I'm now all moisturised, nice and sluggish. Oh my god. I've actually got no water. I've got a half drank can of Coke that is now warm. So I'm gonna go downstairs, grab some water, head back up, chill the fuck out. Actually take some time to myself and relax, which would be quite nice. That's gonna be it for today, I reckon. But if you've enjoyed this solo vlog and my solo travels, hit the fucking subscribe button, bitch. Why not? Also hit the like button while you're at it, and comment down below if there's anything that you want me to do while I'm on my own.